eMzansi South Africa kanye ngebingelela kubingelelayo mabutho abaseva ufike ebuhlatshayo sazi uma sicebisa ungelengele itsizwa ke nebonga imvile abaye basedila izimbe kodwa mina ngithi dambende ke la yini AK47 iqodo ungakaze ithafa endlela suka okay sasengaphansi kwa project TV radio show the reality show bafethu la khona suke sireconcile sireunite senza zonke izinto sakhuzwana emphakathini orezweni lokana sabuyisana namhlanje ke ngihambi ngedwa ngihamba with our new presenter yeah ngichaze okuningi ngaye but nizokuzwa because kuningi and ku-interesting very much interesting so awuhlala nami samukele our new presenter si welcome isazosebenza kanye nani isazonisiza nani entweni eningi akadili ngento udila ngezinto eziningi too much but hlala nami ungabusayi uphuza amanzi bazokulethela hlala nami sisamukele usisi ngapha usisi right aphila
ngiyaphila njani futhi
ngiyaphila hayi bayangazi nawe uyangazi vele sithathe for a reason so sicela ukuchazela ababukela ukuthi igama usisi ubani.
Okay, igama lami noNtsikelelo kaMtshali uMahlabangani Mantshingagalela gasenjini ngonyama intombi yomZulu ningadudwa igama elithi noNtsikelelo sho ukuthi
yeah
lo baba lo ngizalayo wavele wadecide kuya le Eastern Cape wablender ayike wasisiza ke ngoba here we are looking cute and blended and all that so yeah uNontsikelelo namhlanje basengishilo ngisuka eKZN ngizinze khona la eGoli kwaNdongaziyaduma
kuphi imali kuphi neKZN
High Flat South Coast endaweni ethi eMhlabashanda ngazi noma ukuze ngayo
yini side of Durban
it's south of no side nje yase South Coast yayazi iXhobo kuze ngiXhobo
oh yeah ngazi iXhobo
yeah before iXhobo kunedolobhana nje incane bayibiza ngeHigh Flats
oh hayi sazihamba straight
hayi ayinayo choice
umsebenzi yahlanganisana
ayinayo choice
okay hayi siyakuzwa senimzile ababukeli nombukele uNontsikelelo bathi ubani masini shortly Tsiki yeah Tsiki ne angazi ngingathini ungachazela like ababukeli more about wena ukuthi uNontsikelelo ubani udila ngani because sezile ukuthi
okay
yeah
so first of all ngizocela ukubonga nje ukuthi ningitomule kwabaningi kade beapplyile ukuthi ngibe engxenye yenu mina ke nazi ukuthi niboneni ukuthi nizothatha mina but ke uNontsikelelo I'm a fashion designer by profession consultant as an HR person that is my other qualification bengisebenza as a HR before for such a long time but I decided actually man I love fashion so much I decided to go back to school ngihlala eDiskini for 3 years just to fulfill what I really love
imali italent le fashion designer or wabona ngani ukuthi une talent or
bengibona ngokuthi mangiye emsebenzini I would be looking so nice like the way ngihlanganisa ngakhona indwangu how I look and then abantu bazongicela ngicela ungistyle bengazi ukuthi ngine profession yokuba stylist you know I remember one of my managers she is now in America Eva Baloyi uke wathi eya emshadweni she's the reason I realized ukuthi no I can do even more emshadweni wathi please ngicela ungistyle and I'll pay you I'm like bayakhokhela abantu just ukuthi nje ngiyokuthengela impahla and then
namangazi
then I started there it was like 2013 benke Pretoria that time I started ngamstyler and then gathola ama client ukuba stylist part time man I was like let me know how to even make a garment
ungaqhubeka fashion designer nayi
even now I'm wearing my
style sakhe design yakho
yeah I design it from scratch
ama contacts niwathola like before sihlabele phambili ngifuna ukubuza lapho since fashion designer like uyayenzela imicimbi sort of into ezikanjalo
yeah I do I'm a matric dance I had a great experience last year I made a suit for my son he was going for matric dance and that was amazing yes I do if you're going for a wedding for red carpets I'm there I'm your girl
was it izibhaya musweni
ezitening siyazama
yeah kusho sathi umuntu right because uthe masibheka lapha sathi no ake sathi uNontsikelelo njalo ngibona izinto eziningi lapha like ngibona ama talent amaningi lapha mobhala
ne yeah thank you so much I'm so grateful I hope I won't disappoint you guys and nababukeli ngeke ngiba disappoint ne
fashion designer naye bafethu uthe yini enye
I do makeup as well I do stylist like I'll do your shopping, I change wardrobes,
Like,
everything.
Like kunabantu phela lesi mhlawumbe ngaphandle kwamanamba bengabe iprofile yakho
Okay,
profile
on Instagram they can go to Styles by Ntsiki.
Styles by
Ntsiki,
okay.
yes,
Yeah. Nayibona lapho Style by Ntsiki nayibona lapho.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Instagram kuphela.
Instagram, no Facebook, or Facebook is it's Styles by Ntsiki on Facebook as well. Ukuthi I have a professional my professional page and my personal page, but professional pages will Styles by Ntsiki.
Styles by Ntsiki.
Yeah.
Okay, Ntsiki. Ngiyakuzwa ke.
Yeah.
Okay. Siqedile ngawo before ngitshela ukuthi
Yeah, I think okunye nokunye while siqhubeka
nizokuthola along the way.
Yes.
Okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
Stylish nayo franchise nayo. Okay, ezinsiki ne.
Yeah.
Sinayo as a professional to show as you know ukuthi abantu abaningi bayazi vele ukuthi thina sisebenza nge-reconciliation angithi like whereby sireconcile abantu ezweni yabona understand abantu baningi.
I really love what you guys are doing.
Yeah, baya nokungaboni ngasolinya ngaze ngayibeka kanjani ngesingisi leyo nto leyo. Bana ucabana uthatha mhlawumbe egcineni bayadingana ne but kunalento ekuthiwa abantu i-pride. Ngenza mhlawumbe mina nasigxabene. Olithi fana ukuthi igcineni siyadingana ngithi sibuswa i-pride nanathi sasaba ukuthi manje mina mangiza kuzo bona ngathi wena mina yimoncinge wena kanti no ngeke kuthiwe izandla zagezana. If asidinganisa abantu so angazi but i-reconciliation wena uyibona kanjani nje into leyo nto leyo because into phela siyenza esikubizwe leyo because mangibona i-post yakho ne by the way
thank you
ezinye sezinto zakhe i-style sakhe lesa i-fashion yakhe le yasistepha sizoyibona kodwa futhi asikahambi sasekhona la so sithi ngapha nangapha ukuze nibone ukuthi kuyasetshenzwa kudlalo no ngila kwi-reconciliation lana ukuthi singichazela ukuthi senzani ne ima ake ngivuze something la uthe uyibona kanjani into yama-reconciliation
ngasingiphalwa kakho lapho. The reason why I applied, I have seen so many YouTube and whatnot, but it was my very, very first time to apply for production company beside that I do shoot some movies and but for this it's really touched me because I feel like imndeni eminingi ifile not because bekufanele ife exactly what you are saying ipride isibulele imndeni eminingi akekho sefuna ukuthi sorry angazi noma imali or esilimazayo ukuthi I got money more than you, I am not gonna say sorry to you. And asikhulumi even nangemndeni kuphela ama-relationships yazi kunamanye nje ama-divorce okubona ukuthi le was not supposed to you know kubangwe nje into eyincane kwakuthi ke nkosi yami akekho ofuna ukuhlela ngezansi and for me that really hurts me you know. So when I saw this I was like maybe mhlawumbe nami engingeza nakho kubabukeli uzama ukubahlanganisa maybe kungasiza and angazi why ngigcina sengihlangana nabantu who are going through things and somehow I will listen and give them advice, then later on they'll be coming back ukuthi yazi sixolelene noma yazi sixolelene nomuntu wami yazi we are fine no sis wami and all that. So I was like let me try it, maybe let me help people abangangazi you know
khona mhlawumbe nawe la urelate khona or akwazi ube ku-situation.
I don't think khona umuntu ongakazi abe ku-situation guys siphila emhlabeni
siphila ngawo
ama-situation ngamaphutha and whatnot you know what I realized in general, so I'm gonna talk about me most ukuthi yazi mohlala phansi ucabanga ukuthi hayibo sibangeni nosibanibani then you realize ukuthi I personally think nami nginenkinga. Why I'm saying that you know if you're always defensive or when uhethwa izinto ezincane I realize ngi-short tempered right uhethwa izinto ezincane then you take them so personal that awusafuni ukuzwa lutho. Unfortunately akuphilwa kanjalo no you can't. So I realized ukuthi okay noma besona besenza izinto ezibuhlungu but have you ever sit down with yourself ukuthi mina where did I go wrong and why I'm not saying sorry to this person you know then I learned from there and me learning that it really helped me with other relationships where I was able to go and say yazi mfethu my girl, I'm sorry, I you know, I went below the belt, maybe I was too much, you know. It's life, guys. So I learned from some of my mistakes and also my experience of listening to my clients, my friends, when I ask them, you know, Pela, kunama relationship then ubuza umuntu ukuthi hayibo why happy uSipho, and then say hey ungeke ngalo, and you can feel the anger ukuthi no why, you know, things are fine. Then when you sit down, you listen, you're like, girl, I really think you can sort this out. And some do listen and go and apologize. Some, as we said, pride sometimes overpower everything. So I'm not the best, but I'm trying.
You're trying. Ngiyakuzwa ngesikuyimina ukuthi cha khona la uvuthwe khona. Uvuthiwe. Ungahandlisha like a situation ngempela like a critical one. Ngempela ukuthi ungahandlisha kanjani into kanjalo.
First of all, I think people need to learn to become and be kind.
Become and be kind. Like keep
be angry. It's normal. You are a human being. But be kind. I will tell you why. You know, when you are shouting to your partner, and you come like with the department, I'm a partner, but let's say you are shouting to your partner, or you are irritated by whatever that he or she did to you. While you are expressing your feelings, don't forget to be kind. When you are kind, you still remember that, yes, you pissed me off, but I love you. That's going to help you to choose words of what you are saying to that person. Because uyazamakama awasuki ngaphakathi.
Awasuki vela.
Abanye baze bathi ngcono ngishaye physically because ngizophola. But what you said angazi ngizokhipha kanjani. Because usukushilo ukushilo. Ukushilo
vela. Amakama,
you know. So kindness isiza lapho ke ekutheni uchoose amagama akho ukuthi ungkwadisile. Abanye badila nokuba angry bavele baphume bahambe because they want to calm down.
Okay. When wagaba like offended like by someone, wagaba offended when?
Yes,
Then wahandlisha kanjani?
Not once, not twice.
Like many times.
Many times. As I said,
but nakusaphila.
And I don't hate anyone. I have no grudge with anyone because I have learned to forgive myself. You know, kuna manyama forgiveness that you need to accept them engashiwongo. You need to forgive other people bengashomuthi I'm sorry. Because you uzama ususa umthwale emahlombe. Yazi ukwata nje ukwatela umuntu omunye akana ndaba nalento yakho uthi ukwatele. It affects you as a human being. Okay, for me, how did I deal with the fact ukuthi bengikwatile and ngikwatiswa umuntu umthandayo?
Like and futhi umuntu akaliboni lelo iphutha.
You know, first of all, you need to know who you're dealing with. Right? In the process, do not forget yourself. To be kind to yourself as well. So I have learned to be calm in any situation because imvula ziyanetha ziyasinetha leminyaka.
Zinetha kwasani azikhethi zamxolo.
I have learned to be calm.
Zamxolo ukhethi.
Like breathe in and out, girl. Munci eyes if you have to. Calm yourself down, you know? So that you can think, because when you are angry, guys, sometimes you can't use your mind. That is why abantu bathola bashaya abantu athi umuntu I'm sorry bengikwatile. You need to learn to control yourself. So basically, you need to understand yourself. That's what I've been doing. That's what's been helping me. I keep calm. I move away from the situation if I feel like it's too much. I calm myself, then I come back and approach you. And also, if still namatshe nje abantu who always right.
Avele bakhona ke abanjalo ke abantu samakhanda hey. Manje ngabuka ama shows ethu. Ngizobona lapha khona bangalawuleki lapha abanamakhanda aqinile.
You know.
Maybe masebezi ivoice yomuntu esifazane abazothamba sazi.
You know. So kunabanye abantu bamatshe, you just speak your mind and let that person know how you feel, how they made you feel about the whole thing. And unfortunately, if they can't hear you or they can't calm down, there's nothing you can do. But you need to learn to forgive yourself. I think that's the first part. So that awunayo umuntu umgrajayo uzukhiphe kunabantu abakwazi ukukhipha igama ukuthi ngiyamnyanya usibamba.
Oh my god, like you strong bas baxoshana abantu angifuni ukuphinde kubone ngathi ngafa.
You are dead to me, kind like that. I don't think as human being we need to reach that level. Yes, you as umuntu ozwisa omunye ubuhlungu, you have no right uthi this is how you need to feel. Like ungitshela ukuthi ufuna ngifile kanjani, you know, because you are hurting me. But I just pray and hope that as human beings we need to learn to calm down.
Man.
Just be calm.
Calm and connected.
Just be calm. Just be calm. Like, let's not be aggressive towards each other. You know, it's so bad. Amanye ama-families awasangenelani.
Yeah, ayikenzeka too much lokho.
You know,
and you find us bayadingana egcineni vele.
Exactly, we need each other. Yes, even friends, we need each other. You can't do this life alone.
Never.
You know.
Ekaleni, you remember earlier I said izandla ziyagezana.
Izandla ziyagezana.
Benge kuthiwe kube yini isaga lezo. Ngeke kube isisho ayisaga, yeah.
Yeah, isaga.
Benge kuthiwe izandla ziyagezana if you don't need each other.
We need each other, you know. We need each other. And here's the thing, Marisha, we sinabantwana.
Yeah.
Let's say now we are families, we are cousins, asisangenelani. But tina, we were raised by mothers who were there for each other.
And qinisile. And imndeni eminingi ayizwani. Imndeni eminingi lento soke sengasukela nangaphandle but imndeni eminingi ayizwani totally.
Yeah, so now my problem is what about our kids? Since benzenjani. Now there is no relationship. Akusavakashwa kwagogo. I circle you know.
I keep on the right.
I keep on the right. And then ingane zethu sezikhula manje as in a cousin who I can call my cousin anytime. Mangimdinga.
Yabo lento ekuthiwa Christmas ihlanganisa sonke siwumndeni but khona bangasabuyi total. Ngisho ukuthi bayazi mangiye ekhaya nosibani uyabuya and ngeke sizwane kuzoliwa.
I was reading on TikTok. I came across this video with Christmas and I realized we are such a broken you know, people. We are broken people, and I'm not sure ukuthi abazali or lesiphuma khona ba aware on how broken we are.
Abekho aware. Phela kuyafihla phela lezi zethu zamanje izethu sisodwa. Sitshela nje abangani abantu around thina hey abazali abasatsheleka ngazi indaba.
We are broken and angazi singenze njani silungise leyo nto.
Alese behlalela soba phezukwayo leyo.
You know, it really hurts me umuntu uphumelele right but akekho happy because of things that happened back home. Omunye athi they will be with my uncle who raped me and I told them bathatha side lakhe ngobe nemali.
Ikenzeka ke.
You know, hence I said eqaleni angazi noma imali le esenza sibe big headed.
I don't know. So imali is everything. Ngesikhathi samanje. So imali is everything. I'm sure maybe yon. So thing.
Yeah.
Maybe yon. Because if ubheka ne vele ngiqinisile ingane lezami intsha yamanje vele inama secrets amaningi and abazali abazi ngawo. Abantu abazi ngawo abantu abangane abaclose nabo. And ubheka umngane nje obeclose nawe uzoxazulula kanjani ngoba uzoyithatha etshela omunye indaba ukuthi sabalele. So i-joke.
So i-joke. Bangakho abantu abazibulele because of their experience or batshela omunye ngezinto ezabehlela zadlula zaqala izwe lonke.
Hayi baningi.
You know, so it's kind of very painful and hey if usingasiza lesingasiza khona.
Singasiza soxoxa.
Yeah.
Like must look na vele be feel more comfortable with us.
No. I would like us really to assist where we can.
Friends are sure.
Abanye abazi hey this thing hurts me. Abanye abazi barishwa ne abantwana basaba ukutshela abazali. Now that they are growing and they realize that hayibo yazi yonke into like haya isa normal
akhula ne trauma but
even lo uncle nje akayiboni inkinga. So why would you think lo muntu uzothina esenemali yakhe nendawo yakhe yokuhlala agoduka ekhaya? Where is i-warmth? Umalume yalumani uzothola umntwana lo sisi lo you think uzokwazi ukushiya umntwana?
Hey wena usasho njalo kune episode esakuzayishutha la kukhona umalume alumanayo la
imagine
nizoyibona babukeli lapho manje scroll i-Professional TV lapho lenzansi malume ingane kodwa ke hayi asiqhubeke nizoscrollela nibe niyibonele kuningi ubusy.
It's painful.
Inkinga ziningi ungacanga ukuthi wena wedwa unenkinga or lezi zakhe inkinga bese usabe ukuziveza ngoba ucabanga ukuthi wena kuphela baningi and
they just have to
bayasizakala.
let us know,
Yeah.
send us emails,
Size la
and
siza khona.
let's see what we can do,
Yabo.
because asazi, and abanye badinga healing, professional healing, abanye they really need prayers, you
Banye
know.
social
We
workers
can
abanye.
send you to churches or talk to someone who is spiritual
Yazi,
aligned
uqinisile,
with
yazi,
you, you know.
kuney'ngane ehlukunyezwayo emakhaya like ihlukunyezwa abazali kodwa kungebona abazali sehlapha umzali usashona but kunokhetheka wengane or mhlawumbe udade ozala nomzali.
Yeah.
Abahlukumeza ingane ileyo singenza singathini lapho.
So
Like umzali washona but
Yeah.
ingane isele and ingane njobisele iyahlukunyezwa iyona ethunywayo ukishonisa lena le.
yeah,
ayina say because abazali bekho nayo sincenge nje just ukuthi iplate mangithola
it's such a
iplate.
coincidence that I didn't write it on my profile that I'm running a NGO.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I'm running a NGO. It started last year June. Now I'm mentioning it because now you're talking about kids, abahlukunyezwayo. But EAMI, it's more about abantwana who are disabled, who maybe were born normal, suddenly baba disabled.
Oh bathi okay.
Because bengibona igap yokuthi basizobani to adjust to the current ukuthi now I don't have a hand, now I'm permanent in a wheelchair. Like even abantu abadala, you know, how do you adjust? Are you getting help, professional help? Ekhaya bayakwazi uku-adjusta. Is your mom, your dad okay? Or nabo basazama? Guys, yes, singomama, singobaba, obaba, but we also need professional help. You know,
that's true.
So that's how I end up having that NGO that helps and visit amakaya uguti. How are you guys adjusting, and also how can we assist this person now?
Yeah.
Ukuthi afunda ama skills azomsiza kule sima sekusona manje, because we don't want to leave them like that bengenzi lutho. That way bazoba depressed and whatnot. Now let's talk about kids ekuyizona ezithunywayo asinabazali yo, that really hurts me. That hurts me. I also engage to those kids, and if I have to get I'm a social worker, I engage with them. In fact, I go to hospitals and ask department, now that you're dealing with kids, are you okay, guys? Is anyone no check out? Who is okay, who is professional to check with? I think lengani yethuka menyezwa inama stretches as if you shower. Yes, you know, so I have people that I'm dealing with, different hospitals. I can't mention them for now, but yeah. So if you have isihlobo ingane yashiya abazali siyahlukunyezwa, guys, isitsheleni as sizobona ukuthi senze njani. Ikhona ke la office lami la ngisebenzela khona la. I design suits. As you can see, this dress, I made it. I got a new order similar to this dress. So because of COVID, I decided to work inside my house because I closed my office, and it's doable. Let's use what we have till we get what we don't have. So this is Styles by Ntiki office. Siqala la sizela kuphuma yonke into ongayicabanga. Ufuna isuit uyashada. Come Tuesday was a 6 uzophuma into ongayazi. Buka nje. Uke wayibona le suit. I love to set trends rather following them. I'm sure no one ever saw this trend, the suit. It was for my son for matric dance. And I'm willing to take others. I'm ready. January still ready sivivile. So nginabo abantu abangisizayo mangibusy esisebenza kanye nabo. Kuya depend ukuthi i-order ngeke ngimanager ngiyi-one. So nginawo Instagram. It's just that I hardly post. Nginawo ku Instagram Styles by Ntiki, and Facebook nakhona Styles by Ntiki. You'll find my contacts there. You can DM me. Yeah, I will definitely attend to you. And I'm not far. I'm in Midrand, so I do consultations. Khona la eMidrand, abanye abakwazi ukufika la. They normally send ama measurements up, especially laba bake Cape Town naseDurban, and I serve them. Bangafakaza abanye nebehlangana nale video ukuthi they didn't have to be here. So yeah, Styles by Ntiki, Styles by Ntiki, Styles by Ntiki. Igama lami uNontsikelelo akaMtshali. I am a new member yale production. I would like to thank abaphathi akuyibona abatakule iCV yami. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. So isizathu sokuthi ngibe la ngizosiza i-team, ngizoqhubeka la kade beqale khona ukusiza abantu abaletha i-peace, sizoletha ama-solutions, sizozama ukuhlanganisa abantu. Let's reconcile, let's support each other as family. Let's go back to drawing board where we from. See again ukulwa. So if you have any issue eyenzakalayo ekhaya noma ye relationship, ama friendship nalwa anisabuyiselani, kungenzeka ukuthi into encane nje ukuthi sehlushwa ukuthi ke manje ama egos and pride, guys, asizameni ukuthi sibuyisane. Asibuyisaneni sikhulume ngezinto, sixolelane. And also i-homework enganikeza yona as a person, ngicela uzibuze wena ukuthi akukho lokwenze khona waba wrong. Wena akukho nje okwenzile waba wrong. Can't you sit down with yourself uzibuze ukuthi why ngixabana nabantu abaningi kangaka? Right? Leyo izokusiza ukuthi ube calm, uqale phansi to revisit whatever that you guys fight for, and then asibuyisane in 2026, guys. Siyashona every day. Can we die in peace? Ake sixolele qala sambe soxolela abantu. If you need usizo, maybe ufuna abantu aba-professional who can assist you with your anger or whatever, we can organize that. We promise you. Tina isizathu sokuthi sibe la, we are here to assist, we are here to help people to reconcile with others. Let's do this. Let's have peace to each other. Let's go back to drawing board. Let's love each other. Asishintsheni ukhisimusi ube ukhisimusi where sihleli sonke siyifamily. Kunabantu abangasagoduki because of things that happened long time ago. Zahlala zangakhulunywa, abazali bahlala phezu kwazo, ingane zilimele la ngaphandle. How about we revisit that? To everyone oyi-victim, owahlukunyezwa, maybe abazali abazi, ihlobo azazi, idla wena kuphela lento. How about we confront them? But we are not fighting this time around. We are just here to say, look, this is what happened. This is the reason why I am not coming back home. You know, because umalume olumayo and no one was aware. Oh, umalume ubeluma and everyone was aware. But because umalume ubenemali, yanyathelwa nginyawo. Can we guys sit down and talk about it? We are not opening wounds, but we are here to sizopholisa amanxeba, sibuyisane as family, as friends. Kuma relationships, yes, it's okay if the relationship didn't work, but why are we hating each other? Kufanele sisondane vele. Why, guys? Ubuntu buphi? Ngila ngizosiza, siyabuyisana, siyacela ukuthi nisubscribe, nishare, nisendele, comment. We need to know what you guys feel. And then we are done. Thank you so much. The interview was amazing. Nontsikelelo here. Goodbye.